morning, everybody. Yeah, we've got the girls all here. We've got the first row on already. Maddox is down there. Morning, Maddox. And we're walking away. Doing a great job. Gonna go make sure everything's going right in here. All set up. Yep, all go. All good. Ready? Oh, little 260. See, count these up down there. We get in there and give Maddie a hand. We've got one row out. Maddox is just working on the second row now. I'm walking the bulls out towards Uncle Chris. What Uncle Chris? And he's just bringing the cows up. Not too fast over that muddy, crappy stuff there, but yeah, you don't want to be too fast. Cows will just step on stones and get sore feet, so take them nice and slow. Right, the bullies. Come on, bully. Come on. Come on, boys. Come on, off you go. Come on. There goes the other one. Awesome. Yeah, they're hiding in the shed over there. Oh, Chris, we're going to bring him out. Let's go see how Maddie's going in here. Looks like he's done. No. Good girls, eh? Trying to clean it up. We got that on. Yeah. On the shoulder. Behind you. You're getting fist behind you. Cow pig. She was. Oh, jeepers. Yeah, she got you. Not too bad though. Got it just in time. Maddox just going to start
okay, one will sit on you and I'll
washing. Oh yeah. Probably will. Probably just about that. Yeah, we've got our 5 lame ones on this road too. They're going to be happy in this one. All going well. Right, Maddox. Oh, Chris down there waiting for me to finish. Maddox, do you want to change that set of cups there? The double up there. Ready? Happy cow. Okay. Catch 3, miss 1, catch 1. These 3 limpies. And that's a little heifer that got in with them yesterday. But we managed to get her out before they went into their paddock. Catch. And then wait for 80.
80's last. Come on, girls. Up, 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 up. Come on, Aiden, get out here. Make it get out, mate.
She had an eat meal. She's a once a day cow anyway, and she's limping. So unfortunately, girl, you're not going to last very long.
No.
Yep.
Out to the paddock, girls.
They'll find their way out to the paddock, or Chris will make them find their way out in the paddock when he goes to wash part of the yard. Oh, there they go. They know where they're going.
Cover up, mate.
Yep. There we go, they know where they're going. Out in the paddock. Successful milking. Hey?
Don't forget to milk.
Okay, right, we'll see you soon, Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris is going for breakfast up at Dad's. And Maddox is coming with me as well. Maddox is going to go and lock the cows away now. I'm just going to finish washing the yard. And then we'll head up to Dad's place. Yeah. Yard's all clean, ready to go. Ready for night milking. And it's us, Maddox. How the cows looking? Good. Good, happy as? Yeah. Oh, that's the way. Right, let's go. Headed up to Dad's runoff. See it milking tonight. Headed down to feed the calves. 4 on one, 3 on the other. Go feed some calves.
Pressure's on, Carl.
Happy little calves. I'm coming, I'm coming. They look great.
They had their injection the other day, they're all looking really good.
Yep.
Here's the last one.
Yep, there was one of the last. Look, two. These are Dad's ones, the scungy, he calls them. Because they were some nice big ones, but they're not going to sell apparently. None of them are selling well, these brown ones. Black ones do, but these are the smaller black ones. There you go. Yeah. Catch you all at milking. Had to feed the little ducks down there. Peaceful down here. Grandad's staring up already. You right up there, Grandad? Oh, okay. Just up at Mum and Dad's and about to go to milk. Yeah, I think we needed some more rain. It was quite heavy out there. Definitely had a couple of mils. Right, I better go to the farm and let's go milk some cows. Getting out the bulls. I hadn't enough time for it just to stop raining. Yeah, there's a good little band going through. Might stop the cricket actually with the angle it's going. It's going towards Hamilton with the Black Caps are playing India. Ah, well. Okay, go on girls, up we go. Yeah, man. There's old Chris, he took the ute down. I don't blame him. Torrential rain when we come down. So, yeah, just push these bulls out. The cows are going right out there tonight. Go on, old Chris. Had to push them up to get that gate back today. Lots of room. Nice and tight. Nice and tight. There you go. Nice and close tomorrow morning. Easy as. All going well this afternoon. We got Uncle Chris and Maddie there. Maddox. And I'm just waiting for a cow to finish milking. It's milking well. Yeah, girls are milking well. Even in this crap weather that was rolled through. These cows are thinking, oh, maybe I can get out the back gate. Not yet. Gonna come round. Gonna take the long way. Heading. Cows are they're quite full, but they're in a hurry to get out that gate. They're pretty quick. They just know they don't have to go far tonight. Two of the longest nights on the walk, and then now it's a short one. Shifted the carryover girls. He's here. He came for his Waikato. Right. Let's go. Start putting the water through. And yeah, Maddie's washing the pit there. Oh, Chris is just washing out the back there. Easy.
Like and subscribe.
We'll see you in the morning. Thank you. Over there, Dad.
I don't know, it breeds beer.
Ah, yes, nice and cool beer. Awesome. All right, cheers, everybody. Cheers.
Cheers. And subscribe.